Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. One of my favorite ways to make fire is using punkwood and various other coal extenders. You've seen me take the empty bick and ignite it. You've seen me use really bright sun like this and use the wallet Fresnel lens to ignite it. Well, you saw all the rain from yesterday's video that we got, and hopefully you can see it on the table. I mean, we had a lot of rain yesterday. You can still find dry punkwood in stumps and sometimes under bark of trees, and that's what I want to show you. Then we'll just solar ignite it with the wallet Fresnel lens. Let's head that way. All right, you can clearly see all the wet punkwood on this tree. Right over here under the bark, near the bark. Looks like some of that might be dry. Let's check it out. All of that caught rain. Let's turn this log over and see if there's some sheltered and dry punkwood over on that side. That feels pretty dry. Let's go ahead and solar ignite this. This feels pretty dry right here. Now, punkwood is wood that's been affected by the dry rot fungus. It is lightweight, spongy. When you squeeze in on it, it'll spring right back out. Let's try that. You always want to put these ridges towards the sun. I'm going to let it heat up hotter than usual to displace as much moisture as possible. When the punkwood is this light in color, it reflects a lot of that energy. So it has to dry it out, it has to darken it, and then it can start to ignite it. Now, on dry punkwood, you just have to quickly ignite it, and you don't have to keep training that focal point on it. But I'm trying to dry it out and establish a hot enough ember to where it can sustain itself. So let's see if that's it right there. That's pretty good to find some punkwood dry enough to get a good hot ember like that. Let me readjust the camera. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. How are your camellias doing? There's a nice big one. And there's another bush right over by the Camry.